Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Petronilla and I'm so glad to have you here. Make yourself comfortable because you're definitely gonna like it here. So guys, in today's video we have our traditional meal, mostly eaten in the northwest region of Cameroon. Hello guys, so in today's video we are eating corn fufu right here. This is corn fufu and this is Khati Khati, which is stewed chicken with palm oil, then a little bit of spinach. As you all know, with my pepper right there, I don't joke with that. So due to space, I'll just take one of my fufu and I'll put it here. Okay guys, I need to preserve this one and let's go over this one. Okay, let's say our grace and dive into the video. Father Lord, I pray that may you bless this food, bless the hands that have prepared this food, bless the source of the income for this food, bless everybody who is watching this video right now. If they can't afford food, if somebody is watching this video and they can't afford food, I pray that may you provide food for them in the name of Jesus. We pray. Wash your hands, get some food, get your drink, get your water, get your snack, and let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, okay, I'm so ready to dip in. So the first bite goes to you. So guys, normally the way we really eat this fufu, I have, okay, there you go. Is it focus? There you go. Have the first bite, guys. Always part of it. So guys, how you all doing? Have a bite, guys. So guys, let me show you traditionally how we eat. Okay, the way we normally eat back home as a traditional meal, especially in celebrations, they give you a piece of chicken like this. They might give you a loaf of fufu or something like this. So what you have to do, you don't have soup, you don't have everything, you just need to bite your corn fufu. And it's always hard, guys, not soft. Like this one. This piece of chicken can finish 2 loaves of fufu for some people. Don't ask me if it's tasty or not, because it is tasty. We're already used to it. It's good. This is a traditional way of eating corn fufu. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I did enjoy my food. I hope you enjoyed the video too. Please, if not yet joined the family, do me a favor and smash the red button that says subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, and show your girl some love. Give me some thumbs up and comment down below guys. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. I do appreciate for coming back to watch my videos. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.